Hello, champ. How are you doing today? Well, today we are going to make a teddy bear. So, are you excited for this activity? Well, I am excited too. So, let's see what do we have in our book. Yes, we do have 3 steps right here. All we have to do is follow the steps and start making a cute little teddy. At first, we are going to make a circle. After that, let's make an oval inside it at the bottom part, almost touching the circle. After that, we are going to make a big curve and another curve to make one more circle. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is the body of our teddy bear. Let's make one more inside. Try and make smooth curves so that they look lovely. Let's make these 2 oval for the feet. And then let's make these 2 circles for the ears. Once we are done with our rough sketch, we are going to start tracing the fair teddy bear. Yes, these rough lines help us a lot as our fair drawing is completely dependent on that. This looks amazing. Let's erase this inside part and make it again. Very interesting. We're going to make the nose and then the smile. Once we are done with that, let's make the eyes. This teddy bear looks so cute, isn't it? Continue making this in a similar way. This looks lovely. Let's make the inside part of the ear now. And then we are going to make this cute little bow, for which we are going to make a circle and these 2 flaps on the side with ribbons at the bottom. That's lovely. Let's make this circle properly. And then make the feet. This is very simple, isn't it? Let's do this together. Once we are done with that, let's make this curved line. Yes, to complete the body of our teddy bear. Erase all the overlapping parts. Yes, a rough drawing is always supposed to be made a little lighter so that we can erase it easily. Now, we are going to take our black sketch pen and start sketching. Start with the face. Go right on top of the pencil marks. And do not overlap the sketch pen marks one on top of another. Yes, it is going to make our drawing or tracing look very shabby. Can we do this together? This is amazing. We can color this with the help of our sketch pen. If you wish to, you can also color this with the help of your crayon. But make sure black is the darkest color and hence that is supposed to be done in the end. But if we are using a sketch pen, that doesn't smudge, so we can do it first. But whenever you're using a crayon, black is supposed to be done at the end. Let's continue doing the entire tracing in a similar way. Go very slow while doing all these curves. And complete the entire teddy bear. Don't worry if you go outside the pencil marks. You can erase it later. Let's do this together. Erase very slowly. We are going to start with our light pink first. So let's do it at the inner part of the ear and the circle in the middle. We will start with the outline first and then color inside. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Let's press the color hard on top of the paper so that we leave no white spaces. Do the outline for the feet and then color inside. Do not leave any white spaces. Continue doing this on the other feet as well. This is beautiful. Not to worry if you don't have the same shade. All you have to do is take the shade which is closest to this and start coloring. Also, if you wish to have your teddy bear of a different color, feel free to take that color and start coloring. Let's take this maroon color or dark pink color and start doing our teddy bear. Let's make a curve over here and color this side. After which, we are going to take pink color and do it on top. We can also take maroon color. Well, this can give us a beautiful shading effect. Can we do this on this side as well? Let's take maroon color and do the inside part. And after that, we can take dark pink or magenta color for the outer part. This looks amazing. Blend both the colors properly. That's brilliant. Let's start with the face now. You have to be very careful while doing the face as we have many features there. Do the outline very slowly and then color inside. Well, this is a very small area, hence half of it is going to be filled when you're doing the outline. Give a proper outline to the eyes as well. This is very nice. Now we are going to color in standing line. This looks beautiful. Once we are done with that, let's take another color which is a maroon color and start coloring inside over here. Again, it is alright if you don't have the same shade. You can take another shade and start coloring. Let's take a light pink color and do this bow now. This looks beautiful. Complete this in a similar way. This is great. And our teddy bear is almost ready. Let's take this peach color or skin color and start doing this portion. This is lovely.